In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear side marker bulb on your 2019 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door and pop the trunk. So pull on the trunk release over there. Now go inside the trunk and get the flap out. Once you get the flap out, keep it somewhere safe. We gotta take off those two nuts over there. Those are 10mm nuts. And also get this wiring harness out of the way. Just push it in there. Get a 10mm nut or a socket, either one works. And get those two nuts out. Alright, and keep them somewhere safe. They're gonna come handy in the next minute. Now if you're gonna try and just push the light out like this, try it from here, wiggle it there, try all you want, use all your might. No matter what happens, it doesn't come out, well, don't worry. I'm going to show you a trick that I figured out when I was making this video, so that you don't have to struggle with it like I did over here. So you will need a hammer for this. It looks scary, but it's not. Just get a hammer, right? A small one. Now get those nuts and put them back on the reverse way, right? So the back side is on the front now, so that the flat side of the nut is outside. Just put the nut in a few threads. You don't want to hit on the stud itself. You only want to hit on the flat surface of the nut. So just get the nut in a few threads. Now start hammering. And I'm not going to fast forward this part because I want you to see that it takes a few seconds. So if it takes a while for you as well, don't worry. That's just the way it is. So keep on hammering and keep an eye out on the studs. You will see that it pops out. Come loose, pops out right there. See that? Now I'm just gonna get those nuts off, push the light in a little bit, get those nuts. Let's not forget to get the electrical connector. See where my finger is? The index finger. That's where you have to press down. Press down, pull it out. Out it comes. Now that's the light right there. At this point you should be able to just go out there and get the light out. It's easy as that. And 1 and 2. Those two studs went over there. Then there's two holes for the alignment pins and the fifth one over there. Let's see where it goes on the tail light. Those are the two studs with the nuts on. Those are two alignment pins, and that's where the slot was. Now that bulb holder on the left, the gray one, that's the one for the rear side marker. So grab the bulb holder there and twist it left. Now it's loose and we can just pull it out of the light. And that's where the bulb is. In order to get the bulb out, get a towel or something so you don't touch the bulb with your bare hands, and simply pull the bulb out. Let's take a closer look at the bulb itself. It's a simple single filament bulb. The replacement bulb size is 194, 168 or T10. Either one of them works. You see that gray O-ring over there? Make sure you don't lose it because that's what prevents water and moisture from going inside the light, and you don't want that to happen. Get the new bulb, simply push it in there. Now let's get the bulb holder back into the light. Make sure it's sitting flush like that. Notice the position of the bulb holder relative to that pin over there. See that? That's where it sits flush. Now just twist it right to lock it in place and we're done. In order to put the light back in, again those are 5 things. Those 2 studs, 2 alignment pins and the 1 slot and the wire there. First let's just put the wire through the hole there. Snake it through. Now get the light in position like this. Right? Just get the light in position and start pushing it in. While I'm doing this, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to keep an eye out on the studs from the inside of the trunk to make sure that the light is aligned. See, the studs are coming in. As long as those 2 studs are coming through the holes there, the entire light should be aligned too. Then push it in a little bit. Get the wire. Put the nuts on. Now when you tighten the nuts back on, you may feel some resistance because we hammer on those threads over there, so there may be some deformation, but you'll be fine. You'll feel just some resistance, but that's pretty much it. So get the wrench or the socket, tighten those nuts, then push the light in, tighten them again, tighten them all the way. Now let's put the electrical connector back over there. Only goes in one way. Slide it in and click it in place. There it is. Let's not forget to put the flap back on. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was?